Kim Jong-il by Abby, Robin, and Aaron. Kim Jong-il by Abby, Robin, and Aaron. Basics in early life. Early life. Some mystery surrounds when and where Kim Jong-il was born. Official North Korean biographies state that his birth occurred on February 16, 1942, in a secret camp on Mount Paekdu along the Chinese border. During World War II, his father commanded the 1st Battalion of the Soviet 88th Brigade. His official government biography claims Kim Jong-il completed his general education between September 1950 and August 1960 in Pyongyang, the current capital city of North Korea. But scholars point out that the first few years of this period were during the Korean War and contend his early education took place in the People's Republic of China, where it was safer to live. Basics in early life. Early life. Some mystery surrounds when and where Kim Jong-il was born. Official North Korean biographies state that his birth occurred on February 16, 1942, in a secret camp on Mount Paekdu along the Chinese border. Other reports indicate he was born a year later in Vietskoy in the former Soviet Union. During World War II, his father commanded the 1st Battalion of the Soviet 88th Brigade. Rise to power. Kim Jong-il started his political realm by rising through the ranks of the Korean Workers' Party. Within North Korea, internal forces were attempting to revise the party's revolutionary message. Kim Jong-il was appointed to the Workers' Party Central Committee to lead the offensive against the revisionists and ensure the party did not deviate from the ideological line set by his father. He also led efforts to expose dissidents and deviant policies to ensure strict enforcement of the party's ideological system. In addition, he took on major military reform to strengthen the party's control of the military and expel disloyal officers. His father was a leader of North Korea before him. How he stayed in power. Military, fear, hunger, and culture. Kim Jong-il leverages these Korean values to maintain power over the North Korean people. The North Korean government controls education and exploits North Korea's public education system as propaganda by disseminating information that further defies Kim Jong-il and misleads North Korean youth. Kim Jong-il also exploits strong familial ties with threats, telling people that their dissent, no matter how slight, will result in the imprisonment of their families for as many as 3 future generations. For example, the children and grandchildren of accused defectors from the Korean War face persecution for the family's alleged treason. Under Kim Jong-il's definition, treason can include speech and even thoughts against the dictator. How he fell from power. His power ended when he died and transferred to his son. He is remembered for being a communist dictator of North Korea. Because of his strict laws and regulations, the people of North Korea were under an unsafe, oppressive rule. This made the citizens of other countries uneasy and concerned, their attention for the sake of the Koreans. He controlled every aspect of the Koreans' lives. With all age and power used curfews, wardrobe restrictions, and absolute dictator control on who leaves and enters the country. The Koreans were blindsided by what was going on in the rest of the world. He used lies to convince everyone that he was uniting North Korea with the overuse of his power. Citations.